Yo guys, what's going on? I'm Zulu. Welcome back to my show. Today I'm going to show you my recipe on how to make some really nice, fluffy ass American style pancakes. Alright guys, this recipe is real straightforward. We're going to first start the wet ingredients. So get yourself a medium sized bowl and crack in one whole egg, give it a whisk to break the egg up, then add in 290 milliliters of whole milk, whisk that in until nice and incorporated and smooth. And that's it. Set them one side. Now for the dry ingredients. You're going to need a pretty large bowl for this, so one with plenty of room in it, and you're also going to need a sieve. And you want to sift together 225 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of baking powder, and 3 grams of salt. And then once it's been sifted together, add 45 grams of caster sugar and whisk that in until combined. Now just form a little well in the center of the flour and pour in the wet ingredients. And then whisk it all together until you achieve a nice smooth batter. And then once the batter is nice and smooth and lump-free, you're going to add in 15 grams of melted butter. Or if you want to be a culinary beast, substitute the melted butter with Beurre Noisette, which has a very unique caramelized nutty flavor to it. It tastes incredible. But by the way, whichever one you choose, if that's melted butter or if that's Beurre Noisette, you want to make sure that it's at room temperature so it's not blistering hot. If you fancy using the Beurre Noisette version, but you don't know how to make it, this is how you do it. Place the butter into a saucepan, place it over medium-low heat, and then once the butter is fully melted, continue to cook the butter until the fat molecules in the bottom of the pan turn nice light golden brown. Keep a close eye on it because it can burn very easily. And then once it's ready, just take it off the heat immediately and pour into a ram again and allow it to cool down. And now back to the pancake batter. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste because I absolutely love vanilla. I don't know about you. And we're saying until incorporated, don't overdo it though, it's not necessary. And that's it. That's it, pancake batter done. So simple. Now cover with clingfilm and you're going to let the batter rest for at least 20 minutes to allow the gluten and the flour to relax and also to firm the batter a little bit. This is going to create really nice fluffy pancakes. And now preheat a 10-inch non-stick pan over medium heat. Lightly grease it with either oil or unsalted butter, your take. And now once your pan is nice and hot, spoon in 1/4 cup dollars of the batter. I would say like 3 to 4 would be good for a 10-inch pan. And you want to cook the pancakes for like 2 to 3 minutes until they turn nice light golden brown at the bottom. I often judge by firmness rather than wait for the bolts to come to the surface. From my experience doing it that way, sometimes ends up in overcooked pancakes. And just simply flip your pancakes and cook your pancakes for additional 2 to 3 minutes until a beautiful golden brown. And you want them bouncy, but not overly firm. And then just place your beautiful pancakes to the side and repeat with the rest. And this recipe should do enough for like 2 to 3 generous portions, by the way. And then once you're happy with some of the pancakes you've got, it's time to plate up. Stack as many pancakes as you really truly desire, one on top of another, and top with a bit of butter and a generous drizzle of the best maple syrup that you can buy, as far as your wallet can handle, that is. And that's what I call a stack of pancakes. Oh yeah. And there you have it. That's my recipe on how to make some really nice fluffy American style pancakes. They're incredible, so tasty, so light. I hope you give these a shot. The full recipe with instructions, measurements and the method is down in the description below if you want to check it out. And if you enjoyed this video or you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as it's completely free. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.